In this video, you are going to learn about Group Purchasing Organization or GPO. Topics I have discussed in this video are: what is Group Purchasing Organization? Why Group Purchasing? How GPO makes money? And types of GPOs. Let's start the video. A group purchasing organization is an entity or platform that allows any business to join a group of other buyers who are interested in the same products and services. By joining a GPO, you're able to leverage the collective buying power of a group of businesses to get discounts from vendors. That means you can take advantage of those larger discounts without actually purchasing more. Group purchasing is used in many industries to purchase raw materials and supplies, but it is common practice in the grocery industry, healthcare, electronics, industrial manufacturing, and agricultural industries. Why group purchasing? The group purchasing method of sourcing motivates suppliers to give GPO members discounted pricing. On average, businesses save 20 to 25% on products and services through group purchasing. You also save time and effort in gathering data, interviewing vendors, and choosing suppliers. How GPO makes money. Some GPOs are collecting administrative fees that are paid by the vendors that GPOs oversee. Some GPOs are collecting participation fees from the buying members, and some may do both. These fees can be set as a percentage of the purchase, or set as an annual flat rate. Members participate based on their purchasing needs, and their level of confidence in what should be competitive pricing negotiated by their GPOs. Now come to types of GPOs. There are two types of GPOs: vertical GPOs, and horizontal GPOs. A vertical GPO assists companies and organizations within a specific industry or market segment. They commonly found this type of GPO in the healthcare and hospitality industries and the dental and veterinarian segments. Horizontal market GPOs serve organizations spanning all markets and industries. This type of GPO works with businesses of all shapes and sizes, offering assistance on a broad spectrum of goods and services, mostly related to indirect spend. If you want to read in details or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. If you found the video helpful and informative, give us a like, share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to Education Leaves channel.